For number 1 on warm up I, I would do 1 times negative 21 to get negative 21, trying to get to 4. This is just regular x factor since there's a 1 right here. So factors of 21, and which one would make 4? 3 and 7. And in order to get a positive 4, we would do a negative 3, plus these have to match. So that would be x minus 3, which is right there in the problem, and then x plus 7. So what is the table's width? It's x plus 7, B. In number 2, the area of rectangle serving tray is this expression right here. This is bottoms up because there's a number in front of x squared. So 2 times negative 9 is negative 18, and we are trying to get to 3. Okay, the only one that can get to 3 is 3 and 6 by subtracting the 3. So 6 minus 3 is positive 3. This gives me x minus 3, x plus 6, but since this is bottoms up, we divide by 2. We can't divide, so we bring the bottom up. We can divide, and we get 3. Now it already tells us 2x minus 3. That's there. Then we're looking for x plus 3. So C. Okay. And number 3, factor completely means find the GCF first. So that would be 2x. If I take 2x out by dividing it, we would have 1x squared, 7x, and minus 18. Now I know my answer has to have a 2x inside of it, so that looks like A or B. Okay, so we can get rid of those. And then I factor this by x factor since there's a 1 in front. So negative 18, trying to get to 7. Well, we found the factors of 18 up here, and the only one that can get to 8 or to get to 7 is 2 and 9 by subtracting 2. So x minus 2 and x plus 9, and we just make sure that our answer has that 2x on it. And so it would match A. Then in number 4, it says that you need to find the following equivalent answer to this here. So this is subtracting polynomials. This part here, it stays the same. But this part here, we have to change the signs. So I distribute and I change my signs. And then I go, okay, 15x plus 3x is 18x. And 13 minus 7 is 6y. So that would match up with D. Okay, number 5 is very similar. This is multiple choice. This is open response. So that negative 1 means I have to change all my signs here. So this stays the same. And this changes to negative x to the third minus 8x and a plus 9. There's no other x to the third, so I bring it in here first. Then I go x squared. The negative 6x minus 8x becomes negative 14x. And then lastly, we have 4 and 9 make 13.